When we were younger, you started all with a look you gave. I spread over.
Ashleigh and Jack have grown up together. They've been childhood sweethearts since primary school, and because of that, as Jack's big brother, I've had the privilege of watching them both become the funny, kind and caring people they are today. I've also been there, like many of you, to witness the many and many breakups. But you always came back to each other, and I can truly say you two are meant for each other.
From childhood friends to soulmates, it's a rare and beautiful thing, and to watch their relationship blossom into the love we're celebrating today has been an absolute privilege. They've been through highs, lows, awkward teenage phases, different hairstyles, well mainly Ash, when she's wanting to dye it, university, jobs and life changes, and through it all you have remained each other's best friend and biggest supporter. I know she'll challenge you, keep you on your toes, and probably win most debates.
When we were younger.
Confessing my love for her, it's brought us to this day as I speak on our wedding day. We have a house together, a dog called Pablo. Yup, the Pablo. Ashleigh's about to finish her nursing. The future is bright, but seriously, it was the best decision I ever made and I wouldn't change it for work.
First time.
Me and Jack have always been in a throuple relationship, and until today, his side home, Newcastle, has always been number one, and I thought our wedding day was going to be the best day of our lives. But unfortunately, Newcastle won the Carabao Cup this year. Jackie, my best friend, my lover and partner in crime. It's been a crazy 16 years where we've learned and grown. We're no longer them teenagers avoiding eye contact in the school corridors or standing outside the school gates taking over an hour to give each other a peck on the lips.
I just want to say congratulations, Jackie and Ashleigh, I love you. Love the fucking match!
3, 2.
These days.
She's beautiful.
They're sewn together, and now they're holding us. We are running free. We are running free. We are running free.
Call upon
All persons here present,
to witness,
I, Ashleigh,
accept you, Ashleigh,
as my lawful husband,
to love and share with you
as from this day,
of moments of joy and sorrow,
wealth and poverty,
happiness and unhappiness,
throughout our lives.
till death do separate us.
I pronounce you husband and wife.
We are running free. Alright, catch the horizon, feel the hope inside us. This is where we're